Welcome to DW University. This lesson module will introduce you to the DW Spectrum IP video management software. DW Spectrum empowers administrators with the ability to easily manage their security video system with abilities such as adding security cameras, managing users, viewing live and recorded video footage, creating event alarms, and more. Throughout this course, you will learn how to create a new DW Spectrum server, as well as how to add devices, perform administrative tasks, and about some basic features to get started with your own DW Spectrum system. Before you begin, make sure that your hardware meets the minimum system requirements to support DW Spectrum. If you are using a pre-built DW Blackjack server, the DW Spectrum software components are already installed. However, if you are adding the DW Spectrum IPVMS platform to a custom-built server, make sure that your hardware meets the minimum system and hardware requirements to support the program. For more information, check out the system requirements list at www.digitalwatchdog.com. To set up a new DW Spectrum system, several things will need to be performed to get the system up and running, including adding devices, applying recording licenses, and configuring user settings. In the following lesson videos, you will learn how to perform these setup steps as the owner of a new system. If you're ready to begin learning about the DW Spectrum IPVMS program, proceed to the next video, Creating a New System, to get started.